Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, the 1918 Volkswagen Beetle A5 Hybrid. Now, before you scratch your head thinking, wait, wasn't the Beetle born in the 1930s, stick around. Because this isn't just a car, it's a story, a tribute, and a glimpse into how classic design meets modern hybrid technology. While the 1918 may be a creative nod or an alternate timeline concept, the Beetle A5 we're looking at is anything but ordinary. It combines retro charm with 21st century eco-tech, making it one of the coolest hybrid reinterpretations out there. Let's talk design. At first glance, the Beetle A5 Hybrid looks like it rolled straight out of a vintage car show. Round headlights, curved fenders, a sloping roofline, it proudly carries the DNA of the original Bug. But look closer, and you'll notice subtle modernizations. LED halo headlights replace the old halogens. Aerodynamic tweaks help boost fuel efficiency. Lightweight alloy wheels with regenerative braking hubs and a slick panoramic sunroof blend old-school vibes with future-ready flair. Inside, it's a whole different game. Volkswagen has given the A5 Hybrid a digital cockpit that still echoes the past. There's a retro-inspired analog speedometer with a digital center screen, leather-trimmed seats with heating and cooling, and ambient lighting that shifts based on drive mode. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, or should we say, the rear deck, is where things get truly exciting. The Beetle A5 Hybrid features a 1.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine paired with an 85 kilowatts electric motor. Combined, they deliver around 200 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. It uses a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, giving it smooth and responsive acceleration. 0 to 60 in under 7.5 seconds isn't blazing fast, but for a hybrid hatchback with vintage vibes, it's more than impressive. Plus, the regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery while enhancing stopping power. You can cruise in full electric mode up to 30 miles, perfect for daily errands. And when the gas engine kicks in, you'll see a combined fuel efficiency rating of around 45 mpg. Technology-wise, the A5 Hybrid doesn't cut corners. An 8-inch touchscreen with VW's MIB3 infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice control and gesture recognition make navigating menus easier and safer. Wireless charging pad and USB-C ports are built in for modern connectivity. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, autonomous emergency braking, and rear cross traffic alert, making this retro ride surprisingly future-forward. So, what makes the 1918 or should we say, Beetle A5 Hybrid, truly special? First, the iconic looks. It's instantly recognizable. Whether you're a fan of classic cars or not, there's something universally lovable about the Beetle's curves. Second, hybrid efficiency. Unlike most classics, this one doesn't guzzle gas. It gives you the freedom to go green without sacrificing style. Third, limited edition appeal. Volkswagen hinted that the A5 Hybrid may be produced in limited numbers, which means